Now moving or copying a file folder from one drive to another. So here again open Window Explorer, Window plus E. Here F drive contain folder, these folder, and suppose you want to move this folder into G drive. Right click, then click. When you want to move, then press cut. When you want to make another copy, then click on copy option. Cut or move and copy to create a new copy. Click on cut option, right click of particular folder, then click cut option, cut, then click on G drive. Here right click, then click paste. Window starting process to move this folder into G drive. How much time remaining? Time remaining it also shows 12% complete. I think 10 minutes. Okay, so by the use of cut option, you can move your folder. Same process to move file, and pressing copy option to create another copy to one place to another place. Okay, suppose you want to move this file, G drive file, into E drive. Cross. Right click, then press copy this G drive file, then open next drive, F drive, then right click on blank area and click paste. You can see this file now available in F drive. Okay, this is moving or copying file folder from one drive to another drive. You can also moving or copying file folder between storage device. Attach pen drive, then copy files, right click, copy files, and open pen drive or other storage device. Then you can move your files or folder between storage device. Now deleting a file folder. How to delete a file folder? Very simple. Right click, again right click, and this is delete option. You can also press delete key from keyboard. See here, delete option. Delete. You can see your file is gone. You can also delete this file. Click here, then press delete from keyboard. Okay, your file is deleted. Where is your file? Your file move in recycle bin, in desktop recycle bin. Double click your file. Recycle bin contain various files, these type of files. Okay, suppose you don't want to delete this file, then suppose you don't want to delete this file, then press here. You don't want to delete this word processor file, then click here, go on file menu of recycle bin option, then you can right click, file menu don't show here, option restore. Suppose you want to restore this file, means don't want to delete. Then press restore. File move on your place. File move on your place. Suppose you want to permanent delete this file, then right click, then delete. When you delete this, press delete option, then file permanently delete from computer. Permanently delete from computer. Computer show information, are you sure you want to permanent delete this file? Yes. Then this file permanent delete. Suppose this file here, chapter 1 class, change class 3rd question, this file app drive file. Now click on this is a restore option here. So this file in app drive, and restore. Where you see this restore this file restore into app drive. Right click, window plus E option, from open window to open window explorer. Here where is app drive? This is app drive. You can see change class 3rd question, again move into app drive. When and to delete this is move on recycle bin. See here app drive. When you want to delete permanent this file, then right click, then press delete option from keyboard or press delete. This file computer show information, are you sure you want to permanently delete this file? When you permanently delete this file, their file go outside of computer. Then click yes. Then this file permanently deleted. Okay, this is recycle bin. So here complete this part, deleting file or folder, restoring file or folder, and delete a file and folder. In next video, searching a file and folder.